In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time zones in Notion. Setting the correct time zone in Notion ensures your dates, calendar views, and reminders line up with your local time, which is especially important if you're traveling or collaborating across different regions. With Notion open, look to the left sidebar. Click on Settings. You'll typically see this as a gear icon labeled Settings, and it opens a panel that controls your account and workspace preferences. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover near the left edge or expand it so you can access the Settings option. Once the Settings panel is open, select Preferences. This is where Notion keeps language, region, and time-related options. It's the place to fine-tune how dates and times are displayed across pages and databases so the app matches your everyday context. In the Preferences area, you'll see a drop-down for time zone. It may be listed under a language and region section. Click the time zone drop-down to open the list. Notion offers a comprehensive set of time zones, often labeled by region and major cities. If the list feels long, start typing the name of your city or a nearby major city to quickly filter the results. Choose the time zone that matches your current location. As soon as you select it, Notion applies the change immediately. There's no separate save button to click. You'll notice that date properties in databases, calendar views, and reminder times update to reflect your new setting. This helps ensure that deadlines and notifications fire when you expect them to, and it keeps time-based formulas and filters consistent. That's all there is to it. A quick note on what this affects. The change applies to how you see dates and times in your account, and it follows you across devices as long as you're signed in. If you work with teammates in other regions, each person will see times in their own time zone. If you need everyone to reference the same moment in time, consider adding the time zone abbreviation or using UTC in text fields for clarity. If you don't see the Preferences section or the time zone drop-down right away, make sure your Notion app is up to date, or try opening Notion in your web browser. Also, confirm your computer system clock is correct, since an incorrect device clock can affect how reminders appear. Now you know how to change time zones in Notion. Open Settings from the left pane, select Preferences, choose Time Zone, and pick the correct option. Simple, fast, and reliable.